Hello and welcome back. I hope all are you doing well and taking proper care of yourself. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपका फिर से स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पढ़ाई विद गुरुचेरा पर। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, फोकस करने जा रहे हैं पॉलिटिक्स एंड आईआर टू डिसिप्लिन्स और वन। ये हमारा आज का टॉपिक है डिस्कशन का। जानेंगे कि क्या जो पॉलिटिक्स है और एंड साथ ही जो आईआर है वो दो अलग अलग डिसिप्लिन्स हैं या फिर एक ही डिसिप्लिन्स है। सो आप बने रहिए इस वीडियो के साथ। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है या थोड़ी बहुत भी आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होती है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पढ़ाई विद गुरुचिला को नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन के साथ ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे आपको आने वाली वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशंस भी मिलती रहें। अगर आपके कुछ क्वेरीज़ हैं, आपके कुछ डाउट्स हैं या सजेशंस हैं तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स के अंदर ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं। So, are political science and international relations, that is IR, two separate disciplines, or should they be thought of as subfields or different levels of analysis within the same broad disciplines? Politics or political analysis. In most contexts, political science and IR emerged independently from one another. Political science was established as an academic discipline from the mid 19th century onwards in the USA and across Europe, while international relations developed in the aftermath of World War I and was largely shaped by the desire to uncover the conditions for enduring peace, that is a concern about the policy relevance of its work that has never applied in the same way to political science. Politics and IR constitute separate fields of knowledge in the sense that the former address, that is domestic issues and developments concerned with the what goes on within the state, while the latter addresses international issues and developments concerned with what occurs between states. Politics and IR have thereof developed their own analytical tools and theoretical perspectives, helping each to enjoy the same degree of disciplinary authenticity as, say, economics or sociology. However, the disciplinary divide between politics and IR may always have been arbitrary. In this view, politics and IR can be seen not as discrete but as overlapping disciplines. They ask very similar questions, albeit about different, if always related, levels of political interactions. Both politics and IR are primarily concerned with questions about power, its distribution, exercise, consequences, and so forth. And both place a strong emphasis on the nature, role, and activist of the state, even if political science views the state as a macro level actor, while IR views it as a micro level actor. Questions about the balance between conflict and cooperations in social relations are also central to both disciplines. The idea of a disciplinary divide has become particularly problematic due to the advent of the increasingly interdependent world, in which the domestic and the international affect one another to a greater degree than even before. Globalization, climate change, multi-level governance, security, and crime are only some of the issues that confound the traditional domestic oblique international divide, and perhaps suggest that rigid disciplinary or subdisciplinary fault lines should be dispensed with. So this is the focus on politics and IR, two disciplines or one. Now we are discuss politics versus IR. What is politics and what is IR? First of all, we are discuss what is politics. Politics degrees typically focus on national affairs, domestic policies, and the philosophical background behind political theories, concepts, and ideologies. Politics also touches on other subjects such as history and economics, usually with a focus on a particular country. Though courses are always available which focus on larger world regions or international policies. Then, what is IR? IR means international relations, also known as international affairs or global politics, amongst other course names. Focuses on the political issues and foreign affairs affecting the world today. It's an interdisciplinary subject touching on history, economics, anthropology, and sociology as well as politics. You will gain an understanding of how relations between different countries are structured and maintained. So, these are the politics versus IR. So, thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, stay indoors.